Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the system and getting the installer ready. First, run disk cleanup and temporarily disable antivirus so the installer can write files. This prevents permission conflicts. Then, open Task Manager and end tasks like NV container or previous installer processes so no lock blocks installation. Next, download the latest GeForce Experience installer from NVIDIA and save it to a simple path like C/temp. Once done, right-click and choose Run as Administrator to ensure full privileges for driver and service setup. Now focus on cleaning leftover NVIDIA components and installing in a controlled order. Uninstall NVIDIA graphics driver, GeForce Experience, and related telemetry via control panel, then reboot into normal mode. After reboot, use Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode to fully remove driver remnants. This is why a clean slate avoids installer conflicts. Once cleaned, install the latest NVIDIA graphics driver, first using Custom Clean Install, then run the GeForce Experience installer. Make sure Windows Update is finalized by checking services, permissions, and logs to confirm success. Open services and set NVIDIA telemetry container and GeForce Experience service to automatic and start them. Failing services block features. If the installer still fails, run the installer with logging. Open an elevated command prompt and run the installer. exe/loglogs. txd to capture errors, inspect logs for access denied or file in use. As a last resort, create a new Windows user profile or perform a system restore point from before the failure. Then retry the clean install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.